There's not much to do when all there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Hey y'all, my beautiful beloveds, my lovely dubbies, how you all doing? I know you're good. Today's menu, we're going to prepare Abomu. Stay tuned, my beloved, you will love this recipe. So this is my favorite supermarket. I love it so much. They've got everything: ginger, pepper, plantain, cocoyam, yam, cassava, that is yoko, onions, just name it. They have everything. So I love the shop so much. This is pepper and all that. Now let's go to the butcher. They've got grains and everything that you need here. They've got meats, beef, chicken, cow tail, horse tail, just name it. Oh, that was quite a walk, innit? So anytime I come home, just wash your whatever you bought with water, warm water, and then soap. And as for my Kobe or my tilapia, I have soaked it in salty water. I have prepped and nicely washed everything. These are my ingredients, as you can see. Oh my goodness, I'm using tilapia. You can say Kobe because I soaked it in water for an hour. Prawns and then my spices to steam it. Yes, and also this is my peanut butter I made myself, and my garden peas, roasted prawns, onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, red pepper, just name it. And also this is my mother Africa palm oil. Also I've got salt, and that's my earthenware. Avocados, cassava, yams, plantain. Oh my god, you can actually have the sauce with everything of your choice, babies. Yeah, so put your pan on fire, add a little bit of water. We're going to steam the fish. Put salt, like a tablespoon. Now seasoning, grains of saline, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, all the spices of your choice added. Now put your fish, your tilapia, and also your shrimps or your prawns. Now let's go and prep the onions, garlic, and ginger. Yo, so now fish, everything is steaming nicely. Here I have cut and chopped my garlic, onion, pepper, ginger, and prawns. Add your salt, like a little teaspoon. Now let's remove the prawns. It's done now. It's been 10 minutes. And turn your fish upside down. Oh my god, it's been 10 minutes now, but I don't want the prawns to overcook, so remove it and let the fish cook for another 10 minutes. And yo, this is very important. You need to roast your tomatoes whenever you're making this kind of sauce. So we're going to the oven. Tomatoes for like 5 minutes. And then this one, we're going to cook everything together. This is another trick. If you feel your muscles are weak, don't use the blender, but use the grinder, because with this you don't add water, and grind it for it to become smooth like a paste, and then transfer it back into the earthenware. It's very important if you don't want to use your muscles. Ooh.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking.
This is another trick. Look at my fish, my tilapia. Look at the chest of the breast. I put a fresh garlic in there, so infusion will take place in there and it will go right into the heart. Great job. I have blended the thicken, so putting it back into my earthenware, and I'm now grinding it with my muscles. Now put your garden pea. Trust me, if you're cooking, use garden pea. It's really delicious. It has that sweet taste. Yeah, so grind it with your muscles. Show me your muscles, baby. And then my fish is cooked. But I think, okay, let's turn it around a little bit and see. Oh my god, I've been steaming this for like 20 minutes. Yeah, done. Back to the sauce. Grind, baby. Yes. Okay, so now the fish is done, and as for the pepper, it's also done. I'm still grilling my tomatoes, so now I've got a peanut butter peanut butter that I made myself. I'm going to scoop like 2 spoons, 2 full spoons. Oh my god, this is all about granules. And then my fish is done, but I need a little bit of the water, so pour the water, not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and let the fish soak. Oh my god, the aroma is too much. So grind everything together. Now you've added the peanut butter, so grind everything together. The fish is also soaking really nicely. Taste it. Always be tasting your food and know when to put salt and when to, you know. So I roasted the tomatoes for about 7 minutes. And yes, it's done. Oh my god, it smells good already. So add it to your paste and then grind everything together. Oh my goodness, I wish you were here to smell this beautiful aroma. Oh my goodness. So I have chopped my onion in a clean pan. Now you can add your palm nut oil, but you can use olive oil and you can decide not to use any oil at all. That's totally fine. But where I come from, this is how we make it with palm nut oil, my beloved. So now I'm grinding my tomatoes together with the paste. Yo, I'm using my muscles. You should see my muscles, baby. So the sauce is pretty much done. Now we're going to peel. Look at the sauce. Everything is pretty much. We're going to heat the oil and then put it on, but let's wait. Let's cook the plantain first. It's very important. That's my water. Yes, let's go and peel the plantain now. Yes, with the plantain, wash it first. I have washed it before, but I've washed it again. Use your knife to peel off the skin. Yes, peel off the skin really nicely. Just take your time with the knife. After you peel the skin off, just scrub it really nice. Scrub the skin off. Yes, okay. So put your salt. Okay, and then put your plantain and then cover it. That's it.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you.
I've turned on my fire. Put your oil and your onion. Look at my plantain. It's done. I'm going to strain the water and put ice water on it. Yes, it's done, babies. Alright. So this is very important. Put your plantain in the icy water. Very important. Put your plantain in ice. If you have block, add it. It will help it. My beloved, if you're finding this video interesting, why don't you subscribe it? Because if you do so, it helps me to bring more videos to you. Look at the plantain. You have to leave it in the water for about 10 minutes, the cold water for about 10 minutes. This is very important and this is very necessary. If you want your plantain to be like hard and all that, leave it in the water, babies. Oh my God. Can I taste it already? Oh, let me grab plantain. Plantain, I love plantain. My God, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's my plantain. Let me try. After this food, all I need is jogging. Thank you all so much.
There's not much to do when all I is thinking about you. Not the